I don't know about you, but my dad snores so loud. So for my poor mother, who has to share a room with him, I made it my life's task to put a stop to his snoring. After looking around online for a bit, I realized most anti-snoring devices weren't exactly cheap. That was until I came across nosy nasal strips. They claim they'll open your nasal airways, decongesting your nose, hence reduce snoring. After trying one on myself, I had high hopes for my dad. My dad is still sleeping. Let's see if this will stop his snoring. And after putting it on him while he was sleeping, ain't no way it worked. Let's just say now I'm the favorite child.